Hey kids! Today, we're going to explore the names of construction vehicles. Skid steer loader. This is a skid steer loader. It may be small, but it's powerful. It can dig, lift, and clear dirt, even in tiny spaces. Dump truck. This is a dump truck. It carries things like sand, dirt, or rocks. When it reaches the right spot, the back tips up, and everything slides out. Tower crane. Whoa! That's a tower crane. It's super tall and can lift very heavy things high into the sky. You'll find them at big city construction sites. Grader. This is a grader. It has a long blade underneath to smooth the ground. It gets the land ready before roads or buildings are built. Forklift. This is a forklift. It has two strong forks in front to lift and move heavy boxes. You'll see it in warehouses carrying things safely. Asphalt milling machine. This big machine is an asphalt milling machine. It grinds up old roads so new ones can be made. The road gets scraped away. Crane truck. This is a crane truck. It has a tall arm to lift heavy things really high. They help build tall buildings. Pile driver. This is a pile driver. It pushes long poles deep into the ground to make buildings safe and strong. Cement mixer truck. Here comes the cement mixer. That big drum on the back? It spins to keep the cement mixed. When it reaches the site, the cement is ready to pour. Wheel loader. This is a wheel loader. It uses a huge front bucket to lift and move heavy dirt or rocks. It's strong and fast. Articulated dump truck. This is an articulated dump truck. It bends in the middle to turn easily on rough ground. Great for carrying heavy loads on bumpy roads. Road roller. This is a road roller. It's big, heavy, and slow, but super useful. It rolls over the ground to make it flat and smooth for roads or buildings. Utility truck. This is a utility truck. It carries tools and parts to fix machines and help workers. It's like a toolbox on wheels. Backhoe loader. Meet the backhoe loader. It has a bucket in the front and a digging arm in the back. Two machines in one. Perfect for digging and lifting. Bulldozer. This is a bulldozer. Look at that big blade in front. It pushes dirt, rocks, and sand, helping to flatten the land. Excavator. Here comes an excavator. It has a long arm with a bucket to dig deep holes. Excavators are great for lifting and digging. You just learned all about construction vehicles. Thanks for watching.